Good job. You pee-peed. You pee-peed while you were on a leash. You did such a good job. Yeah, my first punkwood. I mean, I found it before, but I didn't know what it was called before. Punkwood is this really dry wood. It's got like a spongy consistency. It's actually from those logs that were really wet that I dragged out here before. I know you can, I think, char this, and I'm not sure what else you can do with it, but we're gonna learn together. Oh, goodness. All right. So, I need to show you what I got. I've got my Mora. I'm not actually sure which Mora it is. This one I won in a Bushcraft starter kit giveaway. This one is really sharp. This is a Mora knife carbon steel. I don't know if it's a companion or rush. I don't know the whole line very well. And this knife, I'm not going to take the sheath off because it's on my belt. Is it's a Puukko, P-U-U-K-K-O, something like that. There's a Puukko knife, which I think is also maybe a Finn or Swedish knife style, at least. Okay, this Puukko knife is for the pass around challenge. Got to do one solo outing, 1 day trip, and 1 overnight. This is obviously not my solo. This is probably not going to be my overnight, though this may be where I do my overnight. I'm not sure yet. And I'm just going to be using a knife to bushcraft with. I need to look at the terms and see if there's anything else in the challenge I'm missing besides making food. The food I'm making is going to be kind of disappointing. The only thing I have to cut is an apple. I'm going to be making a pretty simple breakfast. I'm sick. I'm just going to be making plain oatmeal. Just something warm and soft. But right now I want to get a fire going. No, my feet are too sensitive. There's some dog butt for you. Enjoy that. So there's that. So we got a couple challenges today. So the first challenge is we're going to make fire. I did not bring a lighter, but I did bring this ferro rod. Oh man, I forget. I think he had a graphic design thing. Oh dude, you're one of my viewers and you're really awesome. Your name starts with a C on the forums. Oh, I can't remember your name. But he sent me a couple of these really nice ferro rods. Problem, there you go. There you go. Oh, there you are. Oh goodness. Is this maybe has been filed down. I can't really tell. Oh yeah. Here's a pillow. There you go. This is pretty nice now, isn't it? That's not so bad. That's not so bad. Got my little fire going. Yeah. Oh, your eyes I think are going to be blue. I can see them. Maybe brown. I'm not sure. Oh no, you fell over. It's hard because I'm doing it one-handed, which is probably not safe. I'm holding you guys in my other hand. I like this hatchet though. That's easier than I expected. Any other straight ones? Need one more. Well, actually, this might make 2. Yeah, this will probably make 2. Although the one right behind you guys. I'm coming at it also at an angle so that I already have a spike. Harder to do it on this side. getting sick. This is so fascinating. Place I want this to break. Here's my fire reflector. Currently boiling some water for some oatmeal. It's the last of my water, and this river water is really, really mucky. I don't have a filter, I just have the ability to boil, so after I make my food, I'm gonna wrap up and go. I only gotta lay down a little bit. I'm half tempted to spend the night out here, but I don't have enough provisions. Anyways, see you guys.